Greetings to all you. This is Sonam Singh. In this video, we'll discuss an important strategy, problem solving strategy. At very first, we'll see the definition of problem solving strategy. According to Professor Hammond Carsey, problem solving in teaching refers to the task of making decisions or doing things that learner wants to make or to do, the nature of which he is able to understand but for which at the time he has no solution. Means the best way to train the mind is to confront it with real problems and to give in the opportunity and the freedom to solve them. The problem solving method was laid down due to Gestalt. In this, a teacher presents certain problems related to the topic before students, and students start the process of solving them as per their interest and abilities. In this method, the problem should be presented to students in clear words, and it should be based on their learning experiences. Students synthesize and analyze the problem with the help of their teachers and make an effort to arrive at its solution. Following are the steps in this method. Now we'll see the steps of problem solving methods. At very first, we'll see step number 1, selection of a problem. In this step, we'll select a problem. After that, step number 2, presentation of problem. In this step, we'll present the problem. After that, our third step, gathering of data. Means here we will collect the data. Step number 4, formulation of hypothesis. In this step, we'll formulate a hypothesis according to our problem. Point number 5, arriving at solution and conclusion. In this step, we'll conclude the problem. Point number 6, evaluation. In this step, we'll evaluate overall process. And point number 7, recording of activities. This is the last step of problem solving strategy. After that, we'll see characteristics. Point number 1, students learn to solve problems themselves. Point number 2, they cultivate the abilities of observation and logic. Point number 3, they are able to generalize. Point number 4, they are acquainted with the process of gathered of data, their evaluation and drawing inferences. Point number 5, they learn to use old facts in the context of the new. Point number 6, they cultivate the spirit of teamwork. Point number 7, this is a motivational method. Point number 8, this is based on learning by doing. After that, we'll see the demerits of problem solving strategy. Point number 1, it wastes time and energy. It wastes time and energy. Point number 2, there can be a possibility of inferences going wrong. Point number 3, able teachers are needed for the use of this method. Point number 4, this method is not suitable for small student. Means problem solving method is a method of instruction by which learning is stimulated by the creation of challenging situation that demand solution. Professor Skinner also says problem solving is a process of overcoming difficulties that appears to interfere with the attainment of a goal.